Good afternoon, Micro Map here. Hope you're all doing great. Happy New Year. Over here in Tampa, Florida, haven't done a video in 3 days. The kiddos playing in a soccer tournament over here. Look at the view here in the Tampa hotel. Beautiful day today. Today's an off day. Tomorrow she plays in the morning, and then we head back home to Miami. A beautiful day here. She's resting up. She's played 2 strong games and she's really tired, so she's resting up. We're just chilling here with this beautiful view, beautiful day. Go get some nice dinner later tonight and maybe get some weights in as well for me. Got to do something. But yeah, I haven't done a video in 3 days, and the market has started off a little bit slow in the new year. So we'll take a look at some of the data and some of the news out there and what I saw this week. So let's go. So basically, we have some breaking news which should affect the Dow Jones with the 737 MAX plane. A panel blew off in an Alaska air flight. And we also have breaking news. I think it happened on United Airlines. Well, it says here, Alaska Airlines grounds Boeing 737 MAX 9 fleet section blows out midair. That was 3 hours ago. And then United Airlines to ground Boeing 737 MAX 9 planes after. So I guess it's the same continuing news. So that's going to be a big problem for Boeing. Let's take a look at the chart here on Boeing. This might be setting up as a short after this news. You know, this is going to start some problems. And Boeing is a big component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So, and the Dow has been the stronger one. So here is Boeing's chart. So we do have some red candles here, and we were trying to perk up here at 250, but this news is not good for Boeing. So we'll see what happens here, but I think that we're gonna see more downward pressure here. Moving average here on this, I think this daily chart here on Boeing can get it down to this moving average of 225 is the 50-day, and 213 is the 200-day. So we'll see how it opens up on Monday, but this should affect the Dow. This is the weekly chart. So 213 is the 50-day and 194 on the longer time frame. So that's some breaking news on Boeing. On the weekly front, we had, so yesterday was a big news day. I'll go to Peter Schiff because he retweeted most of the stuff from Zero Hedge. U.S. bankruptcy jumped 18% in 2023 amid high interest rates. So that's one news article there. Can you go in there and read it if you want to do some research? We had some economic news yesterday. The ISM services plunged in November. Employment crashed. And then we had the jobs report. Inside the catastrophic jobs report, record 1.5 million crash in full-time jobs. Multiple job holders soared to record. Native-born workers plunge, and you can't click on the article. They want money. If you click on it, I think it asks you to subscribe now. Going forward, is good. This article is so good. It's for premium members only, so you could join premium for $25 a month or $85 a month for the professional. But you know, kudos to them. They're trying to make some money, I guess. Gold is trading very well, following a stronger than expected December jobs report. After initial 17 decline, gold is now 13. I think it finished at 2050. And we'll look at what the futures did for the first week of the year. That's a 30 reversal so far today. Significantly, today's low was almost 30 above 2K, indicating that what was once resistance is now support. I think he did talk about once again, the media is focusing on December non-farm payrolls beating estimates by 46K, so supposedly be stronger. But if you really look into the data, they had revisions in both October and November, subtracting 71,000 from prior estimates. So the report is not a beat; it's another miss. December's number is likely to be revised lower next month. 10 of the last 11 jobs reports have been revised sharply lower. What are the odds? That's random. So, and going back to that news about multiple job holders, last night I went to go pick up some food at the restaurant, which it looked pretty packed. So I guess people are just putting everything on their credit cards. And the lady that brought the food out to the car, I was speaking to her for a little bit while we were checking the order and stuff, and she was saying that obviously she moved out of the South Florida area to up here to the Tampa area, where there's some cheaper pockets in the suburban areas, not like not in the city, but in the suburban areas you could find houses for like 300K. And she was telling me that she moved up here. She has a remote job, and then she's doing a night job as well. And many Americans are working multiple jobs just to keep up with inflation. And it's crazy. The just everything, especially food, it's just ridiculous. And I think I read an article, I heard someone saying that I think Walmart stopped the 401k match. So that's pretty sad as well. So let me go to FinViz. Here for the week, we have natural gas up 15%. And obviously, the first week of the year. Heating oil 358, crude oil up 3%, lean hogs 27, sugar and orange juice and crude over 2%. Biggest loser, palladium, oats, canola. Let's go to the indexes. So the Russell's down almost 4%, NASDAQ over 3%, silver 3%, SPY 175. And we also had news that Apple has some antitrust problems. Their shares slip on U.S. government preparing for antitrust lawsuits. And Apple's down to basically 180, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go to the stock charts here. It's sold off some. There you can see it's through the moving averages here on the daily. It hit almost 200, or basically 200, and has been down straight since that, with even gaps to basically the 200-day moving average, which is 180. Could look at the weekly chart. And this is the biggest company in the world, and one of the biggest percentage components of the S&P. So 175 would be the 50-day moving average on this one. And that was pretty much the biggest news yesterday, and pretty much for the week. That's what the market was waiting on. It's been hard because my daughter played on. We drove up Wednesday. She played Thursday and Friday. So been back and forth from here to the field. So it's been tough to be fully engaged with the markets. So, but we drive back up tomorrow after the game, and then back into the routine and the grind. Look at that. Beautiful Tampa. Nice day out there. It was raining earlier today. Got some people. There's one person there. Tanning. I don't know if I would go in that water. There's some jet skis. I guess they rent them there. Go for jet ski ride. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the view and the video. Like, subscribe. I'll probably do some YouTube shorts on some stuff that I seen during the week when I was on the grind that I have positions on. Anyways, See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.